Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You have God's spirit a living in you? Alright, say if God's spirit a living in you're not afraid and you're not give up. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, chapter 5, from verse 1 to verse 10. We know so our body are like the house them where we live in. Them now go last forever. And we know so when the body mash up, God will give you one new one with him build himself. That body there, we will get when we reach heaven. And it will last forever. While we down here upon earth, we just wait. Cause we well want to put on with new body. And when we put on the new body there, we now go just be spirit one. But with spirit, we have body. Now, when we say I just wait, we are wait to put on the new body. Me no mean say I dead, we just want to be dead so that we can dash with our body. When me say that we well want to put on the new body, cause the body there I go last forever. It no coming like the body we can mash up and dead. God are the one we make we ready for the new body there, and him send his spirit give it so that we would know for sure so we will get them. And since we have God's spirit and living away, we're not afraid and we not give up. We know say as long as we are live on earth in that body, we are far from the home where the Lord make for we. And even though we can't see it, we know we are going to get it. Because we don't live with life based on where we can see with we eye them, but on where we believe. So, like me did I say, we're not afraid and we don't give up and we want to get with new body and go live with the Lord more than we want to keep the body up. And so we make sure say everything we do have to make God happy, whether we are live on earth or we in heaven with him. Cause all the way I go have to turn up in front of Christ Jesus and him go judge we. And whether good or bad, him go pay back every one of we for the sitting them where we do when we did the on earth. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.